Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we learned about individual bonus, right? So in today's class, we are going to learn about group bonus, an important concept under incentive wage plans in cost accounting. Let's see the meaning of group bonus. A group bonus, it is a type of incentive scheme where a group of workers or an entire department is given a bonus for collective performance. Means here in group bonus that is given to the group of workers or an entire department on the basis of what? On the basis of their performance. Clear? That is what group bonus. Let's see the types of group bonus schemes. In that, first one is Priestman's production bonus scheme. Priestman's production bonus scheme. So this scheme, it is one of the earliest and simplest group bonus plans. Clear? See here, it was introduced by Priestman brothers, a company in the UK. So here, under this scheme, a group of workers is given a bonus when their actual production exceeds the standard production level set by the company. Means under Priestman's production bonus scheme, as the name says, that is production. Here, when their actual production, if that exceeds the standard production level, then bonus is given. Clear? See here the example, standard output for a group of 10 workers. Group of 10 workers per week 1000 units. This is the standard production. But the actual production achieved in the week 1200 units, means actual production or output that is exceeds standard output or that is more than the standard output. Clear? Means here we need to give the bonus. Here bonus rate how much? Rupees 2 per excess unit. So here excess output how much? That is 200 units. Actual output 1200 minus standard output 1000. So excess output is 200 units. So total bonus, that is 200 units into rupees 2, that is rupees 400. Now this 400 we need to distribute among the group. That means 400 divided by how many workers? 10 workers, right? So rupees 40 per worker. The bonus that is available, rupees 40 per worker. This is what Priestman's production bonus scheme is. Here bonus is given when the actual production exceeds the standard production. That's it. Clear? So in group bonus, second one is a Rucker Plan. See here, it is based on the relationship between labor cost and the value of production. It is based on this Rucker Plan, relationship between labor cost and the value of production. So here it aims to reduce the labor cost and increase the efficiency by rewarding the group when only they save on labor cost in proportion to the value of output produced. Means here in Rucker Plan, a standard ratio that is set, which is the ratio of labor cost, clear, to the total value of production. So if the group performs better and reduces their labor cost ratio, then the savings are shared between the workers. That is what? It is based on the relationship between labor cost and the value of production. Means if the group performs better and reduces their labor cost ratio, the savings are shared between the workers. For example, standard ratio of labor cost to production 30%. Means here a standard ratio is set. Clear? And actual production value for the month, rupees 1 lakh. And expected labor cost how much? 1 lakh into 30%, 30,000. This is the expected labor cost. But here, now let's assume that the workers completed the same work, but they did it more efficiently. So the actual labor cost came down to rupees 28,000 instead of 30,000. It means what? Here group saved rupees 2,000, means 30,000 expected labor cost, but here they worked efficiently, so the labor cost reduces to rupees 28,000. So 30,000 minus 28,000. So group saved rupees 2,000 in labor cost. So assume 50% that is shared as bonus among the workers. So rupees 1,000 means 2,000 into 50% that is distributed to the group. That is what Rucker Plan. In Priestman's production bonus scheme, how we will distribute the bonus on based on if the actual production exceeds the standard production. And in the Rucker Plan, if they reduces the labor cost, then group will get the bonus. Clear? So next, Scanlon Plan. Scanlon Plan. So here focuses on cost reduction and productivity improvement. Focuses on cost reduction and productivity improvement. It is same as this Rucker Plan, but slight difference is there. See here a committee, it focuses on cost reduction and productivity improvement, right? So here a committee, it evaluates suggestions for improving the performance, and bonus is shared based on the savings here also. But here a standard ratio is set between labor cost and sales value of production. But in Rucker Plan, standard ratio is set that is based on the ratio of labor cost to the total value of production. Here standard ratio is set between labor cost and sales value of production. Clear? That is the difference here. And if the actual labor cost that is lower than the standard, the difference is called gain or saving. Means if the actual labor cost it is lower than the standard, the difference is called gain or saving. Here a fixed percentage of this saving, it is shared with the workers as a group bonus. That's it. Only ratio is difference. In a Rucker Plan, the ratio it is based on the ratio of labor cost to the total value of production. And here in Scanlon Plan, standard ratio is set between labor cost and sales value of production. Clear? If the actual labor cost that is lower than the standard, the difference is called gain. On this basis, we need to give the bonus to the groups. Clear? This is what Scanlon Plan. And fourth one is Towne Gain Sharing Plan. It means what here? Group bonus that is shared based on the differences between standard time and actual time taken by the group. Here standard time and actual time. In Priestman's production, the bonus that is given based on if the actual production that is more than the standard production. But here group bonus in Towne Gain Sharing Plan, bonus that is shared based on the differences between standard time and actual time taken by the group. For example, standard time to complete a project 1,000 hours. 1,000 hours. This is the standard time to complete the project. And time, actual time taken by the group. So actual that is 800 hours to complete the project. Means the time saved how much? That is 200 hours. 200 hours. 1,000 minus 800. 200 hours. So this time saved 200 hours. On this basis we need to share the bonus between the groups. Clear? This is what Towne Gain Sharing Plan. I hope this is clear to you all. Now let's see the other incentive schemes. Other incentive schemes. They are specially monetary incentives, which includes profit sharing and co-partnership. Clear? So let's discuss about profit sharing. See here, under this scheme, the employees receive a share of the company's profit in addition to their regular salary. Means here in profit sharing, the employees, they will receive a share of company's profit in addition to their regular salary. Means the salary that is available to them plus on the share of the company's profit. Clear? So here when the company earns more profit, the employees also benefit from that success. Right? So this bonus, it is not guaranteed every month but given annually or half yearly. That is based on the company's performance. So let's see one example. Here a company earns rupees 10 lakh profit in a year. in a year, right? So it has decided to distribute 10% profit among the employees in addition to their regular salary. Clear? So rupees 1 lakh, 10 lakh into 10 percentage, that is rupees 1 lakh shared as profit sharing bonus divided among all eligible staff. Clear? This is what profit sharing. And next one is co-partnership. In co-partnership, employees are given shares in the company. Employees are given the shares in the company either free of cost or at a discounted rate. Here employees are given shares. So this makes the employees a part owner or shareholders in the business. So they may also receive the dividends on these shares, right? So it creates a sense of ownership and loyalty. That is what co-partnership. So other incentive schemes that include profit sharing and co-partnership, right? So this is about a remuneration system. Here we have completed all remuneration methods and incentive scheme. I hope all the methods are clear to you all. If not, please leave a comment. And if anyone wants notes of these classes, please comment. I will upload in my Telegram channel. Thank you.